Hi everyone! So I have the September box here of Yourcreativestudio. They reached out and asked if I would do another collaboration, and of course I said yes. Their stuff is so cute. And let's see what we got here. They always send a little thank you card. I always say save these. If you guys have watched some of the other videos where I've done unboxings and project shares, I always end up using their little card because it's just absolutely gorgeous. And then here's the inside. It has the little sticker. Same thing with this paper right here. I try to be very careful to take off the sticker, and then I reused this paper. So let's see what we have. So right here we have a cling stamp, and then this is usually a little indication of what is in there. And these little baggies, I have saved them and done like a little flip out of them. So here is that exact image that was right there on top. So got a little like floral going on. Then we have another little flower here and another flower set here. Really pretty. You can see the back. They are super detailed. Love those. Then we have washi. Again, here is a little sneak peek right there. And again, with these two, I try to be careful not to rip the sticker, because like I said, I do reuse these as well. And here is our gorgeous washi. I love that everything they send is so matchy. So pretty. We have a cling stamp and another stamp. So there is a little sneak peek to what's in those. So here is the first one. This thing is a nice size. This is probably like 4 inches across. Look at the little banner. That is so pretty. You can write whatever you want in those little spaces. Or if you have another stamp that's small enough, you could do like live, laugh, love in there. So really cute. Again, super detailed. And then there is a corner flower stamp here. That is just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Love that. And there's still more stuff in here, you guys. We have some paper. Oh, it's open on the side, so I'll just take it out that way. Oh, they're like little postcards. Oh, look at that. It looks like it's embossed, but it's actually flat. Isn't that really nice? Love those. Really cute. I love vintage. Like postcards. Love those. There's that one. Then we have a pack here. I tell you guys, save the packaging for everything. Like, look at this packaging right here. You can definitely use this as an ephemera piece. That is really nice right there. So this one we have, oh, are these all vellum? It looks like all vellum stickers. How cool is that? I love this one that it looks like it was burnt. That's really nice. I like that little effect there. Oh, look, we have like a little angel baby here. This one looks like different papers, and then here are your design right there. And this one I would make into a pocket. I would go ahead and take some of the paper that comes with this kit, glue it down, put a glue right here, fold this up, and then I would have this be a little pocket. I think that'd be really cute. Oh, look, we have vellum. Oh, these are beautiful. And then here are the matching papers in print that match those vellum ones. Then we have another size with the same thing. Then we have these square ones with the same thing. Then we have these rectangles with the same thing, the vellum and the pattern. And then we have squares in vellum and pattern. That is really cute. I wonder if I could do a little mini like junk journal out of just these. I think I'm going to give that a try and see if that works. I'll definitely do a video on that because I think that'd be really cute to do like a mini little junk journal. Then next we have, it looks like little labels. Oh, they're little tags. Oh, I wonder if I have a hole punch small like this. I'm gonna need to look, but this is really tiny, probably like 1/4 of an inch. So I'd love to see if I actually have a punch that I can use with this. Oh, it's washi. It's like a washi sticker. Cute. Oh, are all of these like a washi sticker? Oh, they are. Oh, these are beautiful. I thought they were just like little ephemera pieces, but these are little washi stickers. And it already has like that gold foiling in there. These are gorgeous. Like, look at this floral one right there with the pink rose. Oh, these are really pretty. I think I would actually use these some with the backing on like this. So that way it just looks more solid. And then some of them I would use as the washi to give like that clear kind of see-through look. But these are gorgeous. Every single one has some kind of gold foiling to them. Those are gorgeous. And these would work really nice with my little mini junk journal that I want to make. So that is awesome. I'm going to put those together right there because those would go. Oh my gosh. I love, 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 love when they send rub-ons. You guys, these are amazing. I have a video already where I used a different scent and I put it on some like cotton. I put on some cotton and I made like little fabric ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. I need to go buy some more tubes from Dollar Tree and see if they would stick to there, but I don't see why it wouldn't. But look at these gorgeous little flowers right here. I'm loving the yellow and oranges. This is so, so cute. Oh my gosh, I totally need to go get some like little glass jars so I can put those on. And you guys, there's still more stuff in here. Okay, look, here's some more paper that we can definitely use. Save this because you can always use this to like repackage something. So if you do like a little junk journal, then you can use this twine to go ahead and tie it up to like send it off. Again, same thing with this little pocket right here. Do not throw it away. Keep it. Look at how cute is that. I love this. I would keep this just the way it is. Glue it into a little junk journal. Oh, there's the little pieces in here. Oh, days of the week. I love it. I so need this for a travel junk journal. All the little days of the week. Love that. Then we just have like different cutouts over here. You have some little lined labels, or you could use this for journaling. Look at this pretty little script right here. Oh, one of these feels different. Oh, this one feels like handmade paper back here. It has like a different texture to it. And then look at all the little fine fibers in there. Love that. Yeah, these back pages feel thicker. Really nice. And then these feel like more thinner paper, like not quite photo paper, copier paper, because it does feel slightly thicker than that. But look at, oh my gosh, I wish I could write like that. That's just beautiful. Love those. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're stencils. I don't think I've ever got stencils from them before. I could be wrong though, but oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What do we have in here? We have 2 stencils. So we have this first like floral. Love that. And then we have this one. Oh my gosh, these are giving me like vintage wallpaper vibes. I am so loving these. Oh my gosh, look at that. Love, love, love those. So excited that they're stencils. Oh my gosh. These stickers are so cute. These are like a clear see-through little plastic sticker. And they're like little stamps. Love these. I get so excited when they send those. And wait, there's still more. Let's see. Is this our last item here? No, there's 2 more. So save this for your junk journal. You can definitely reuse this. I do that all the time. I have a couple of videos showing where I reuse that. And then look, we have some more stickers. And I'm not sure if you can see that it's like on texture paper. And you can like definitely feel it. So nice. So, oh, it's thick too. It's like a thick sticker. And then they're kind of like hidden little stickers. So there's that oval one right there. And then you see this just looks like patterned. But look, it actually has like a little stamp design to it. So cool. Love that. If you have any like stamps that have like the 25-cent stamp or 5-cent stamps, you can stamp that on there and kind of make it your own. I think that'd be really nice. Again, this like put a little love stamp. Oh my gosh. I think that's so cute. And our last item right here. I've made a couple little journals out of these where I saved the packaging and I used it as the cover. Because look, that's just gorgeous. Like, definitely use that. And in here is our first pattern. Oh, look at the little dragonfly. She's so pretty. There's our little floral that matches our rub-ons. Ooh, look at this one. That's really pretty. Oh, I love the little butterflies. And then I think this is our sticker paper. Yep, so this is our same 6 designs, but now we're in sticker paper. So there's those. And then this has like a little bit of texture on it. So this is our artist paper. Again, the same designs as earlier. And then it goes into our vellum paper with the same 6 designs. I'm telling you guys, they jam-pack these boxes. They're always full of so many amazing goodies. So pretty. And I'll leave a link down below to their Instagram and to their website so you guys could go ahead and go check them on out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.